This morning we embark out on our 35-mile boat ride to the middle of Lake Superior.
We are here. We need to head right here.
You got a little bit of water?
I was really worried the fog was going to be thick, and it is like really thick. We're not even to the lake yet, so we're just going to take it slow because I'm driving into just a white cloud right now. So thank God for GPS. But even with GPS, I don't know if you've ever driven in fog or not, but it's really hard to navigate. You really get turned around quick. So we're going to take it easy, slow down.
Today, mostly sunny, Superior. At the eastern Lake Superior, blue winds were west at 9. As Standard Rock reported a temperature of 56 with southeast winds at 3 knots. And transmits from the tower located near Pinsdale.
Fish until we mark them.
There is nothing, and I mean nothing, surrounding us except some water, some more water, and then a whole lot of more water. Nothing within many miles radius of where we're at right now, except that little lighthouse behind us. Along with this immense amount of water, we've got big, enormous, mean, aggressive lake trout. This is absolutely legendary.
Look at this.
Oh, bunch of bait.
Alright, we're gonna fish this.
Okay. Spence says we're fishing it.
Yeah,
GoPro check. Rods, where are they at? Rods, check. Spence is check. Lighthouse check. Next, lake trout. Here you go. Is that the Medusa?
Bondi bait.
Oh, Bondi. Nice.
dude, look at this lighthouse. Are you serious? First trout. We just came up on top of this reef. I got thumped and then I dropped it back down. And I got hit again. Not what we're after, but
They're vicious.
look at this. That is the start on the Bondi bait.
The size of that lure.
Look at the size of that little lure. That is sweet. That is sweet. Sun's just coming up. We've only been here for probably 5 minutes. Look how he ate that bait. He ate all the hooks. He really wanted it. More importantly, look at that backdrop behind us. That is awesome. That is so cool. In the middle of freaking Lake Superior. We are hooked up. Watch this though. This is the coolest part.
Yeah.
Watch how clear this water is.
down.
Watch how fish swim. Oh, nice. Right under the boat he goes.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Something just busted right there.
We're on him.
Go.
Next cat.
Go. Yeah, see that?
Fish could be flighty, shallow like this.
There's one. There's one. There we go.
Good?
Feels decent. First one. It's a little one. It's such a crazy feeling. You just lift up on your plastic and there's a fish on. Oh yeah. First Rocky Laker. Yeah. Oh, come on, everybody. Gorgeous. gorgeous fish. Oh my God. It's fine, just put him back. Put him back. What? The one I uploaded?
Yeah.
I'm on.
Good.
On the spoon. I don't know, it's a light rod. Probably not that nice. Oh, that was cool. I was just burning that spoon right on the surface.
Really?
It's a light rod, so I have no idea actually how big this fish is, but it does not feel huge.
Doesn't feel huge?
It's
Head shakes look big.
it's bigger than any of the ones we've caught so far, I think. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, keep that drag nice and loose.
Yeah. Oh, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Wow, ripping the spoon, that was fun. Holy smokes, was that fun. Yeah. Wow, this is such a light rod, like holy smokes. I'm definitely afraid to catch anything bigger than this. This is cool. Yeah. Sweet. Get in here. Oh God, dude.
Oh, he fouled that thing.
Yeah, he really wanted it, huh? Woo! Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leave him in the water?
Yeah. Check it. There we go. Standard rock lake trout. Not a Godzilla-sized fish, but equally as fun on a light action rig stick. My God, I'm really pushing it with this rod here. If anything bigger than this, and I've got a serious doozy on my hands. Relax. There we go. Check that laker out. Whew, mean but lean. Oh, it's lean but mean. Nice little fish. This water is unbelievably clear. You guys are looking at probably 25 feet of water. That fish is going straight back down to the reef. My God, is this fun.
That was cool.
I can get used to this.
That is unreal.
You dog. Cheers. What do you think of Standard Rock so far? Any good?
Sick.
Is it
I like
decent?
it.
Yeah.
I'm coming back.
This place is crazy. Like, imagine bass, it's like bass fishing, but instead of bass, you're catching something that's super badass.
Yeah.
And that instead of like,
You're not fishing a pond in Chicago.
Yeah.
For 2-pound bass.
no, this is a pretty big pond actually.
Yeah. This is the biggest pond in the world. Second biggest pond in the world.
Second biggest pond in the world, and we're smoking Lakers out here. The only way I can describe a lake trout fight is it's just like, it's a lot of head thrashing. They roll kind of like catfish. Do you notice that? They roll like catfish. They're pretty much the only fish that I know of that do that. They also do a lot of steady runs, like a steelhead. It's the best of pretty much both worlds. And the crazy thing that I didn't realize up until today is that they're also surface feeders. To my knowledge, lake trout, they're deep water fish. They go and they feed 100 feet of water and you gotta troll for them. We're up in 20 feet of water right now, and we're pretty sure that the fish around us are eating like caddisflies, little pieces of bait on the surface, like lake trout. Like that just goes to show.
Good sized trout too.
Yeah, like
Not little ones.
Like
Yeah.
freaking cannonballs. That just goes to show that their DNA is so hardwired, similar to like a brook trout or like a rainbow, that they have this instinct. If they see something on the surface, they're gonna eat it. So it goes against everything that I've been taught about lake trout fishing, and I don't know. I just want to share with you guys how amazing it is out here. If you guys ever get the chance to fish Lake Superior, do it. It's dope. But we're taking a little midday update, halftime break. We're gonna nosh on some salmon. Ooh, this looks really good. Into the honors?
Sure, bud. Appreciate it.
Really freaking good.
Excellent.
B, get you some.
Excellent.
This is straight out of
Great
Superior, right?
protein.
Yes,
Cheers.
straight protein. Cheers.
Good, boys.
Love it.
Oh my gosh, this fish has not come off the bottom. This is a big fish. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? My drag's not loose.
Pretty good one though. Oh my God, look at the size of that one.
Oh, holy shit. Oh my goodness, look at these
size
fish.
of that one. We're not leaving, okay? We're not leaving.
Oh
We're
my
not doing
goodness. You see the one following him? That is a cool one. They're all different, like the colorations, everything's different about every single one of them.
I love their mouths.
So cool. Big back fin. Such a clean fish. Probably never been caught before.
Probably not. No, probably never been touched.
Watch this release. This is gonna be cool. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's cool. Watch this. There he goes. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. We started out the morning kind of going big, musky style. Didn't really have anything big bite, but we came up on this little 29 foot, actually it comes up to like 23, it says 29 on the map, but 23 foot reef out here. And right away, John and I both hooked up. We saw a ton of big fish. I mean, they were everywhere. Couldn't get them to bite. Musky baits, spoons, small plastics, everything. So I kind of resorted to a staple I use on Lake of the Woods, and just like a 1/2 ounce jig with a flapping shad, and caught 2 now. So maybe we're onto something, maybe not. There's fish all over. There's one right there, there's one right there. You can just see them everywhere. Every fish you catch, you get a follow by like 2 or 3. If you look around, you're always gonna see 2 or 3. Sometimes you look down and see like 15 or 20. Awesome, awesome, awesome spot. I'm in 26 feet right now and I can see bottom. I can see every nick and cranny on the bottom. Awesome.
I need a lot of from everyone except Spencer because I'm hooked up right now. Yep, like first cast back on the hump. We came back here and there is a ton of fog. It's like this whole spot just reset. I'm telling you, 1 cast and I'm hooked up.
All right, so you're telling me I'm gonna catch your next cast?
Yes, there might be a little bit of low pressure deal going on right now. And if that's the case, that'd be sick. Is that what fog means? Is that low pressure?
Like completely changed.
Like this is so weird. No way, we just doubled. Are you serious, Spencer? This could be pretty crazy. Like you guys, we tooled around out deep.
That's not bad.
We're back on the shelf, the point, on the big rock, and we're doubled up. First double of the day.
That thing barely hit the water, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you, like as soon as mine hit the water, it was like on. I don't know how big mine is. It definitely isn't small.
Not bad.
Yours is pretty damn good. Mine also feels all right.
The biggest one of the day.
Yeah, right there is definitely fatso.
Holy cow, that thing is huge.
Yeah.
How fat he is. Not a long one, but keepers is he fat. All right, dude.
Big rolls, big rolls. Don't come off, don't come off. Let's come on. I am now. Oh yeah, not bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. No, not a bad fish. Oh, look at that rod bend.
Okay, get that net. I'm gonna put this fish in that net.
In that big one? Oh, thanks. I didn't get a shower this morning. Appreciate that. Right here.
First cast.
Right here. Right here. Not a bad one.
Oh yeah.
Not a bad one.
We got 2 big ones.
Yeah, buddy.
That's sick.
Wow, I was falling asleep just 5 minutes ago.
Okay, so we just came back up here. This is where we caught all of our fish this morning, but we have like seen a crazy weather pattern change. We have fog now. Like it's almost like just a thick cloud cover.
It got colder too.
So we came back up here thinking maybe it'll be on, and our first cast loaded up.
Deuces in the net. We're gonna get a quick little look. We're gonna show you guys our fish. Then we're gonna put them right back in the water. We don't want these fish to stay out of the water too long. Oh, these are really good fish.
Helping us get to what we want. So cool. Doubled up. Awesome.
We needed this. I'm awake now,
yeah,
right?
We were kind of down.
Okay, let's put it back.
So cool.
Getting out of Dodge. I think today we can officially call a big success. Time to head back to mainland. As much as I love sitting out here in the abyss, I'm really looking forward to heading back home. Thanks to this guy. Good day. Good day, Laker vibes. Laker vibes.